Well, tonight, Hoosier voters and government watchdogs are weighing in on the legal battle over Indiana's absentee voting deadline. A court struck down a 10-day extension for mail-in ballots. News 8's Julia Dang breaking down the federal decision and has details from one of the plaintiffs. Julia.
A federal appeals court has reinstated an Indiana law requiring absentee ballots to be received by noon on Election Day. Now that overturns an earlier ruling ordering that ballots had to be postmarked by Election Day, but could arrive as late as November 13th.
There's a certain amount of whiplash that voters are feeling about this decision.
Nonprofit watchdog Common Cause and the NAACP filed suit against the Indiana Secretary of State over the absentee voting deadline. The plaintiffs say about 1,500 absentee ballots cast by Marion County voters were rejected in the primary election because they arrived after the deadline. A judge ordered a 10-day extension in November, citing slower than average mail delivery. But now a federal appeals court has overturned that decision.
I think it's unfortunate for people who maybe are running out of time.
I don't feel one way or another as long as the votes get in and they're counted.
The appellate opinion states as long as it is possible to vote in person, the rules for absentee ballots are constitutionally valid if they are supported by a rational basis and do not discriminate. Julia Vaughn, policy director for Common Cause Indiana, believes this latest decision will disenfranchise thousands of Hoosier voters amid ongoing USPS delays.
Voters don't have any control over that ballot once they stick it in the mail slot.
The latest USPS data shows more than 14% of first-class mail nationwide has not been delivered on time. This chart from an October report issued by the Senate Committee on Homeland Security and Governmental Affairs tracks the latest on-time delivery rate in red and compares it to the 8-week average before operational changes announced in July. The court writes people who worry that mail will be delayed during the pandemic can protect themselves by using early in-person voting or posting their ballots early.
Hoosiers are facing some of the most restrictive voting rules in the country.
Now, the USPS did not provide on-time delivery data specifically for Indiana, but did issue a national mailing instructing voters to request absentee ballots at least 15 days before Election Day. But the official deadline in Indiana is October 22nd. Reporting live downtown, Julia Dang, Wish TV and WishTV.com, and be sure to follow us on Facebook.